Google just announced a bunch of hardware in the latest I/O 2022 event, and from all of that, the most exciting one is probably the Pixel 7 series. And according to Google, we are likely to see the Pixel 7 getting launched around fall later this year. We have already seen some of the specs that suggest the Pixel 7 Pro might come up with mind-blowing upgrades. But will it be worth the wait? In today's video, we will share the most 5 compelling reasons you should wait for the Google Pixel 7 series. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so the very thing for which you should consider the upcoming Pixel 7 is its design. Though it's pretty much identical to its previous gen model, you wouldn't find such unique design in other brands. Most smartphones nowadays are less innovative in terms of design, whereas Pixel stands out with its camera bar and build quality. Moreover, the Pixel 7 is rumored to feature dual-tone color to make it look a bit more aesthetic. Another upgrade is likely to be on the camera section. The camera bump remains the same, but with a pill and dot cutout. Besides, the frame of the bar might also change to metal instead of glass rear. Nonetheless, Google also needs to ensure that these don't create any lens flare. For the third cutout, Google is likely to add a telephoto lens. As for the camera, according to a reliable source, we are most likely to see the same optics on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro that Pixel 6 and 6 Pro had used. So, Google might provide a 50-megapixel f1.85 GN1 for the primary and the 12.5-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide on both phones with an additional 48-megapixel f3.5 telephoto on the Pro variant. For the processor, Google is apparently in the process of developing a next-gen Tensor chip for the upcoming Pixel handset. Though the present Tensor chip isn't good enough to be able to compete with the best chipset from Snapdragon or Apple, Google is likely to work on the optimization and make the upcoming Tensor 2 even more powerful and efficient. Google is also likely to up the software as well. They have already announced that the upcoming Pixel phones will be introduced with the latest Android 13 operating system, meaning the Pixel 7 will feature upgraded tools for privacy and security and also ensure a seamless connection between other Android devices. Moreover, the users will be getting at least 5 years of software updates for their phones. That's certainly a huge advantage of having a Pixel device. Lastly, the Pixel series has been a great flagship at an affordable price range, which has always been considered the flagship killer. So, for those who want to experience flagship-level premiumness and performance from a smartphone without spending a whole lot of cash, the Pixel has always been a great choice for them. And the upcoming Pixel 7 Pro is also expected to be launched with a similar price tag of $899 as the Pixel 6. So, this could also be great for which you should wait for the upcoming Pixel smartphone rather than just buying any conventional ones. All these upgrades certainly make the Google Pixel 7 a wait-worthy smartphone. And with proper optimization of Google's chipset, this can undoubtedly be among the top-tier smartphones. What more upgrades would you love to see for this upcoming Google flagship? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.